guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So don't mind my hair, I just filmed another video for you guys that you guys will see soon if you haven't seen it already. But in this video, I will be trying this 3-row comb that I got from Sally's. So that is what it looks like. I saw zmariebeauty here on YouTube use this, and she used it to get a defined wash and go. And when I saw her video, I even commented and I told her I'm trying this because me and her both shingle. I don't know about her, but when I shingle, it takes so long. I'm talking about hours to shingle my hair, and it's tiring, and it's halfway through I'm just like, man, do I just want to rinse my hair and do a twist out? And for me personally, I've tried the raking method. I've tried like defining it with a brush, which I don't like. I don't like my curls to clump. I like them separated, and with these teeth I'm hoping that they're going to separate my curls while still defining them. So I'm going to put this to the test. This is by Tool Structure, and I believe I got mine at Sally's for like $2. It's really cheap, you guys, so we're gonna see if it works. I have already washed, detangled my hair, and put a leave-in detangler in it, and my hair is still wet. So I'm just going to start with a small section, and I might just use my gel. The gel that I'm using is the EcoStyle olive oil gel. I wanted to use products I know work, and you know, this is a holy grail. So okay, so these back sections have dried just a bit. I'm just going to take a spray bottle of water just to reactivate the product I already put in it. I don't feel like it's necessary to add product again when I just did it literally. So it's nice and wet. Then I'm going to take some of my EcoStyle.
Real Life Living Productions.
Alright, so that has enough gel on it. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to just detangle it again just to make sure it's detangled. And smaller tooth combs like this definitely can detangle your hair if it's already detangled, I feel like. Don't be trying to use this and your hair is super thick and tangled. So I personally am going to smooth it first, just to make sure product is all over it. Ooh. You guys see that? Nice. One thing I do notice is my roots are not defined, but my ends are really defined. And it did separate a lot of small pieces like I like, so my hair is not like clumping together. Alright, so I'm wetting my hair to reactivate that leave-in. Adding some EcoStyle gel. One more time and then we'll do it. There we go. Ooh. You guys see that? Alright, I had to give me some Halloween candy. I asked people on Instagram stories if they checked their Halloween candy before they ate it, because I don't. I told them I'm gonna die. So let me know down below if you guys check your candy before you eat it.
Real Life Rhythm Productions.
Okay, guys, so these are the results. My hair is 100% dry. I air dried for a bit, and then I sat underneath my hooded dryer just to finish it off because it's getting late and I don't want to sleep on wet hair. So that's what my curls are looking like. I haven't fluffed or did anything to it, so it still has a little bit of a cast. I always get a cast with anything I use, but you know, I just scrunch it. But yeah, let me just go ahead and let you guys know what I think about this little comb here. So one thing I really liked about this little comb is it cut my styling time in half, you guys. Like, you know, if I were to shingle, it takes me anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, more so on the 3-hour side. And with this, my hair styling time was cut in half. It took me just a little bit over an hour, which I know some of you probably think is still long, but it take me so long to do my hair. It'd be taking me like almost 2 hours just to do a braid out. Like, I don't know if I just move slow. I have a bad habit of keep on like smoothing my hair, and sometimes it be my own fault that I take so long, but yeah, it cut my time in half, so that was definitely one of the best things about this comb. Raking it through my hair, it did not clump my curls. It separated them like I like, so that was what I knew it was going to do. I like my curls to be separated. I don't know what it is about the clumped curls. I don't like it. Another thing I noticed is I thought I was using a lot of gel, especially when I started on, I think, this first section. I had to use a lot of gel because when I would rake it through, sometimes it would be a little frizzy still, and I would have a ton of gel on it. Like, there was gel all on my fingers and everything, but I had to use a lot, honestly. So I don't know if that's really a pro or a con, but in order to get the results I wanted, I had to use a lot of gel. I believe that is everything. I really love my hair. I feel like this is going to be a game changer in my wash and goes because, yeah, I can get my wash and goes done quick, half the time with just the right amount of definition. I feel like this looks like I shingled my hair. It doesn't really look too much different from my regular shingled wash and goes. So yeah, $2. I got this at Sally's in store, right by the brushes and all that. So definitely try this out. It worked for me. I definitely feel like it could be a game changer for a lot of you, especially if you're someone like me who has to shingle. So yeah, I will put a link down below if you guys are interested in this. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know down below, would you guys be interested in trying this and if you will be getting one. So I will see you guys in my next video.